Welcome to La Petron, where we transformed a challenging rooftop into a fine dine destination. A place where people love to come for the aesthetic and amazing food. This is Pankti Shah, your host today for the walkthrough of this restaurant. I'm going to take you through all the strategic decisions what we have taken for the design elements, how we have converted the structural constraint into a design element, and how we have created the aesthetic spots for the customers. And most importantly, creating a luxury experience in a practical budget. So when I'm talking about the context, the location is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. As you know, Gujarat is a dry state. So a lot of fine dine restaurants doesn't have alcohol in it. But to give the experience of those kinds, we need to have amazing food, amazing service. So once you go from the entry, you see the ceiling, where the ceiling was coming down. So we have created the coffered ceiling with the wallpaper inside. And once you get inside the restaurant and aesthetics, so when you enter the space, the greenery what you see around is strategically placed to give the area a fuller and a very soft look. When you enter, you have a cascading waterfall here, and we have a nice pizza bar on the right hand side. The whole focus for the pizza bar and the mocktail counter was to give the importance, because as it is an Italian and a Gothic kind of restaurant, we wanted to focus on the wood fire pizza and how the wood fire pizzas are made. So all the customers coming inside would be able to see how the dough is kneaded and the pizza are made, and that gives them, like, the whole feel of the place. Coming inside the cafe where you see all the sitting done, the most important part is how the sitting are divided, because as you understand your customers, people do come in the numbers of 2, 4, 6, 8. So whole spaces is divided into that kind of division of the tables. So the whole flooring which is connected to the space inside and out should have a connectivity. So the floor here is also very dark, which gives a very Gothic and European piazza feeling, like you're walking into the cobblestone streets of Europe. So it is a very nice kadappa laid with a grout, a white grout, to give the feel of very uneven flooring. So this whole GRC facade is done in glass reinforced concrete material to accumulate the weather conditions of the city, because we have to run this restaurant throughout the rainy season and the heat of the city. The moldings what you see are also in the GRC, the very nice ornamentations, the cornice detail along with the ornamented details and the floral bougainville coming out of the balcony gives a feel of a very nice European building. So the space what you see and the lightings what we have used is all outdoor lightings. Even the lightings where you see on the pizza counter, on the top of it, is created by our artisans. Is the custom made FRP light. The top of the tables what we have used is nice feather finished granite. So the chairs and the cushion what we have used are UV protected furniture, and the fabrics what we have used. And you see the custom made totem over here. It's a focal point which is holding the dark ambience into a strong anchoring element. So here when you come across, you will be seeing a very nice metal gazebo. The different sitting gives a very intimate feeling in a fine dine restaurants, and it's also a price point for each and every customer to sit at very place where you can see the city view, and with a nice glass railing what we have given and a lot of plantation behind. This chalet what you see in the back of me is an entry point which divides and gives a glimpse of inside, but you cannot directly see what is inside. The gazebo what you see here, it's done in the glass with customization of castings jali what we have created. The whole design of the jali is custom made 2D design, and then we have casted it in a metal and then welded together on the site, and we have created the pergola. So while sitting inside, you can even enjoy the skies, but you still are protected with the direct heat because the glass you see is UV protected and it reflects the direct sun rays. The most important thing when we were designing this cafe was we have taken advantage of the east side of the building. So any time of the day, from morning to the late nights or the evening, you're never going to get very harsh sunlight. So that was the most important, and we have created a building facade which is on a higher side, on the right side, on the west side, to protect from the direct sunlight. So this mocktail counter was placed very strategically to give a view of all the seating outside, so it can have a very nice interaction. And the facade what you see over here is again a concrete flowing facade what we have created out of GRC, and we have given a texture of a stone. This is an intuition of what coming inside, because the whole interiors are created in the concrete organic flow wall. Even like you see, the flow which is going here has been replicated on the top for the custom light piece which has been done in FRP. It's an organic flow and also a pop of color which anchors the whole monochromatic theme of the cafe. And the quote which has been given in the mocktail bar is Dolce Ninte, which does mean that you just unwind, relax without guilty, and enjoy your time. So that was the whole concept, to have a cozy environment for each and every customers who come in, and have each and every spot which is very much Instagram worthy. The most important thing in any Italian restaurant is their wood burn pizza, and over here also is that. And this custom wood burn pizza oven was made customized. It had very nice brick red mosaic work done on it, with amazing wall cladded in red subways. And here, if you can see, it's a customized wallpaper which we have on the end of the pizza area. So when you come to this deck up area, it is a transition from the cobblestone flooring to a very nice printed floor which enhances this space. So most of the days it is a very curated cozy dining space for couple. It is sold like that. But on the weekends, we have a nice open jamming done here. This organic totem which you see on the back of end of this space anchors the whole space. So there are a lot of different size of totems used at each and every corner. Few are used for lighting up the space with very soft light, and few are used to hide the conduits of the wiring. Few are used to hide the columns or certain elements which you don't want to see. So that is most important, how you use elements which are utilized for two purposes and solving your problem.